Welcome back. So in this part, we are going to see what are the parts of reading. Reading is not just one thing going on. There are many parts to reading. So we're going to look at that. And what we are trying to do is increase our reading speed. These are some of the results that we have got from other students. Reading speed, typically average, US average is 250 words per minute. Many students we get are at that speeds. But within few weeks and months, they achieve all these kinds of speeds, words per minute. And those speeds can do a wonders for you, because at average speed, Harry Potter will take you 5 hours, but if you can 10x the speed, you can be done with Harry Potter in 30 minutes. And it's absolutely possible. Many of our students have done it. Even if you couldn't go to breakneck speed of 2,500 words per minute, 1,000 is easy. Almost all our students go there. So you could be done with Harry Potter book in 1 hour, 15 minutes, 75 minutes flat. Now let's look at how. So reading has 4 parts. Reading has 4 parts, 4 different parts. The first part of reading is seeing the words. When you are reading, you are first seeing the words. Now, just seeing the words is not enough. The next part you have to do is high speed comprehension. High speed comprehension. If you increase the speed at which you can see the words, that's not good enough. You need to be able to comprehend, understand, make meaning of what you are reading at high speed with very high percentage of material understood. So if you read a little slow and if you understand, let's say 80% or 50%, nobody understands 80%. Nobody understands 80%. Let's say you understand 50%. Now you increase your speed by, let's say 3x, 4x as we can do, and your comprehension drops to 20%. That's not good. That's not good. What we have observed again and again and again, many students, is comprehension. Get this. Get ready to be surprised. Comprehension actually goes up with reading speed, not down. With higher reading speed, comprehension goes up. And in the next few videos, I'm going to explain why, how, and how you can get those results. So first part of reading is seeing the words. Second is high speed comprehension. Now let's say you have understood something. What you need to do is retain that information, right? What's the point of understanding if you can't retain that information? So the third part of reading is information retention, right? You want to retain that information. And the fourth part is information recall. Information recall. Let's say you are a working professional. Whatever you read in the email or a report or some news article or any book you read, whatever you learn, you need to be able to retain that information and recall when it's needed. Let's say you're a student, you're studying for a test or just studying. What's the point of understanding something if you cannot retain that information? And what's the point of retaining that information if you cannot recall it? You need to be able to recall that information. So these are the 4 parts. And at Inner Labs, what we do is we work on all these 4 parts one by one. So first part we work at is seeing the words. Second part, high speed comprehension. Third is information retention and information recall. So in next few videos, I'm going to explain the process by which you can do all of these one by one. So stay tuned. This is Dr. Ninad from Inner Labs.